channel once again. If you are new here, please click on the subscribe button, and if you're old, I salute you. So let's walk you up how we create this thing from this. How to create this flyer from the scratch. This is a real estate flyer. So let's get into the video. So we start by creating our canvas page. Ctrl N 4x5, and we hit on create. You can see I just designed it, so I want to show you the whole process. So what we do first is to pick our color. Then we come to the background. Let's create the background. You click, you come down, pick on the background. Let's pick this. So we create it. Then I click on enter. So what you do next to blend it to screen. Before you blend it, you need to blur it. You need to blur it. Understand? So let's check this blurring. This is the 8.6. 8.6. So let's blur it. So we come here to our filter, then come to blur, Gaussian blur, and 8.6 is perfect. So click on enter. Then we'll blend it to screen. So what we get next we'll do again is to import our background. This, resize it, then we blur it. I'll try to duplicate it. Okay. So I just duplicated it by holding your Ctrl Shift, click and drag up. So we'll blend it to soft light. Soft light. So we're getting there. So we'll come here, bring another background, see the background process, which is this. Stand and you click and drag. You bring it down. So we'll blend it to screen. Okay. We'll blend to screen. It's done. Perfect. So let's bring it down. So we'll come here to our gradient tools. So this is wrong. If you are doing like this, is wrong. B. This is a very wrong method. See, it's a wrong method. Instead, you come to your gradient tool, you click, you drag. See, so that's perfect. And what's next? You bring in our image. Bring our image. Let's just drag it from here. Let's drag it from here. So we have our image. Perfect. So let's drag our birthday, happy Children's Day. Let's drag it in. So perfect. So I'm gonna walk you up how I create this. I'm gonna walk you up when I create that. So first thing we're gonna do is to create our shape. Create our shape. Okay. Then let's remove the outline. So we're going to use some color grading. So we come here, we pick the color from this cap, a lighter one, and we pick a darker one. Okay, so we angle it to like 0 or understand. So we're good to go. Let's drag it up. So let's zoom in. So we are still, I want to give it the curve shape. So we zoom in and give it the curve shape. Perfect. So let's drag the D in. Let's zoom out. So I think that is okay. So I think that is okay. So let's drag our text. Perfect. Okay. So let's drag this, but let me show you up I come up with this effect down here. So just click on your create layer, and you pick your color to black, and we come to your bucket, paint bucket tools, and you just click on it. So now, like I said, to do color grade, to do your transparency, you don't use your brush tool like this. No, it's wrong. So you come to your gradient tools and you just click and drag. Just click and drag. So boom, get that. So you can now use your brush tool to lighten up the parts you don't need. Understand? understand? So I think that is that on that. Then we drag our rectangle in. So sorry. Sorry, I need to do some editing on this. So, okay. So that is that. Then we bring in our information, our social media information. Keep here. Okay, we'll bring it in. We drop them. So perfect. Perfect. Let's arrange it. Okay. So let's bring in our logo, the brand logo. So we've gotten our we've gotten our design for this brand. To buy a property, so please subscribe. So whenever I post a video, will be the first to got it. So come this by the end of the um subscribe whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to get it. So here comes the end of the video. Thank you for staying and God bless you.